Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel PMJ Class. I am Poonam, your online English teacher. In this lecture, we will do all objective type question answers, short question answers and long question answers. So let's start. Start objective type question answers of this lesson. Question number 1. Moon is the satellite of dash. Universe, oceans, Mars, Earth. Answer is Earth. Second question is from where do the planets get light? Answer is the planets get light from the sun. Question number 3. The planets twinkle at night. True or false? This is false. Question number 4. All the hollows of the earth were filled with dash when it rained heavily. Dust, snow, water, light. Answer is water. Question number 5. How many years did the earth take to cool down? अर्थ ਨੂੰ ਠੰਡਾ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਸਾਲ ਲੱਗੇ? 1000, millions, 100, none of these. Answer is millions. Question number 6. Planets have natural satellites. True or false? Yes, answer is true. Now let's start. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What are planets? Planets ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ? Answer is a body that goes round a star is called a planet. A body that goes round a star is called a planet. For example, the sun is a star and the earth goes round it. Thus, the earth is a planet of the sun. Clear? Second is define solar system. Answer is the solar system means the family of the sun. The solar system means the family of the sun. It includes the sun, its planets, and the satellites of these planets. Clear? 3 things are here in the family of the sun. It includes the sun, planets, and satellites of these planets. Clear? Question number 3. How can you distinguish between planets and stars? Planets and stars ਦੇ ਵਿਚਾਲੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੰਤਰ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ? Answer. We can distinguish between planets and stars very easily. Stars twinkle while planets don't. Clear? We can distinguish between planets and stars very easily. Stars twinkle while planets don't. Next is, why do the stars twinkle? Stars क्यों twinkle करते हैं? Answer is, as the rays of the stars pass through the different layers of the atmosphere, they seem to be twinkling. Clear? As the rays of the stars pass through the different layers of the atmosphere, they seem to be twinkling. Question number 5. How was Earth formed? Answer is, a bit of sun shot out and became Earth. A bit of sun shot out सूरज दा छोटा जिहा टुकड़ा शॉट आउट अलग हो गया एंड बिकेम अर्थ अते धरती बन गई। इट वॉज वेरी हॉट इन द बिगनिंग। हेयर इवनिंग नहीं आएगा बच्चे, बिगनिंग आएगा। इट वॉज वेरी हॉट इन द बिगनिंग, so it took millions of years to cool down. Clear? How were oceans and seas formed? After the earth cooled down, the rain filled all the great hollows on the earth. Thus, oceans and seas were formed. After the earth cooled down, the rain filled all the great hollows on the earth. Thus, ocean and seas were formed. Now, let's start our long question. Question number 1. Write a short note about 100 words on the making of the earth. Making of the earth बारे 100 words ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਾਈਨਾਂ ਲਿਖਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ। Clear? Answer. Long ago, the earth and the other planets were part of the sun. A bit of sun shot out and became earth. It was very hot in the beginning, so it started to cool down. But it took millions of years. After the earth cooled down, the rain filled all the great hollows on the earth. Clear? Question number 2. Write a few words on the happy family of the sun. Sun ਦੀ happy family ਬਾਰੇ ਕੁਝ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਲਿਖਣੇ ਹੈ। Answer is the sun, its planets and their satellites all form a happy family. सन प्लानट्स एंड देयर सैटेलाइट्स मिल के की करते हैं एक हैप्पी फैमिली बनाते हैं। दिस हैप्पी फैमिली इज़ आल्सो कॉल्ड द सोलर सिस्टम। इस हैप्पी फैमिली ਨੂੰ सोलर सिस्टम भी कह सकते हैं। सोलर मीन्स बिलोंगिंग टू द सन। द सन इज़ अ फादर ऑफ दिस हैप्पी फैमिली। सन की है इस हैप्पी फैमिली का फादर होंदा है। ठीक है, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, बट अगर थोड़े अच्छे मार्क्स लेने ने तो ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਵਧਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ठीक है, किस तरह? The planets goes round the sun and the satellites goes round the planets. Earth is a planet and the moon is its natural satellite. Clear? Question number 3. What are planets? Define the solar system. Okay, here THE आएगा D दी था दे। Answer is a body that goes round a star is called a planet. For example, the sun is a star and the earth goes round it. Thus, the earth is a planet of the sun. The solar system means the family of the sun. It includes the sun, its planets and the satellites of these planets. Clear? This question is our short notes. 2 short notes ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਵੱਡਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। ਕਲੀਅਰ? ਆਈ ਹੋਪ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਦਿੱਕਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਏਗੀ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਲਰਨ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਸੋ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ, with this lesson is completed. So now note down it on your notebook. Now, thank you.